Okay, guys, so we're going to be making Falcon here. Sorry, my thing just cut off there for a second. I don't know what just happened. But we're going to be making Falcon, and, yeah, so you're going to start with the basic information, of course. His name will be, Sam Wilson. Or, I mean, no, not Sam Wilson, Falcon. We'll get into the name Sam Wilson later. Okay, so you want to name him Falcon. And I don't know what to do for a backstory for him. Let's go put something lame. Oops, okay, I spelled that wrong. Okay, I'm a Falcon. And now, alignment. You want to do good and lawful. And unless if you're doing one from Civil War, then you want to do neutral. But good and lawful. And for powers, I haven't actually really thought of this yet. But I would want to give him martial arts. What else can you even give him? I know you can give him the ability to fly. Yeah, so fly, let's go to that. And then, where's the... Yeah, no, not laser rifle, not laser rifle. We're gonna give him... I don't know, you guys can choose. You can either give him a handgun or an assault rifle. Yeah, right there. But I'm gonna give him a handgun because, like... I don't know how to explain it. His gun is just really small. It's not, like, as big as an assault rifle. So, yeah. So I think that's all you can basically give him. I don't know what else you can possibly give him. So, yeah, okay, let's move on. So, for skin color, I don't know what the heck? Okay, skin color, I would recommend this for black. So, yeah. So, not black, brown, so... death style, you want to make that fall forwards or backwards. I don't really care which one you make it. Transformation style, I don't know. I would just do Ascension. I don't know how to pronounce that. Okay. Arm armor. Okay, so for the armor, so we're going to give him shoulder pads, and we're going to make those a silver. So they don't look silver, but like you can put textures on them. I don't know which one's the shiniest because I actually haven't been playing this game for a while. So, I think this one's pretty decent. I don't know about the other ones. Okay, so you guys can basically just choose the texture. I don't really mind which one you choose. They all look good. Actually, no, I'm not going to prefer that light one because it's kind of just a more gray, so I'm going to prefer the sand. Okay, so, I don't think he has... I know he has gloves, but I don't know about forearm pads. Because I'm looking at a picture of him right now, and, like, I'm gonna just assume he has forearm pads. I'm not sure, actually. Okay, so for the gloves, you would want to make those gray too, of course. Because I'm looking at a picture of him. And, for these, I would make these, like, somewhere right here. So, I can't really see it. Okay. Yeah, so I can't really explain it, but like there's something right here that looks a bit like this of what I'm doing right now. So I'm going to assume it's there, but sure. And for wrist armor, we're going to make it gray. But then, okay, I'm gonna remove the interior pads because like it's phasing with the wrist armor, but this isn't easy to do actually. I'm just gonna leave the wrist armor and interior pets so that you won't have some phasing in your character. You can put them if you want to, but only if you want phasing in there. Okay, so anyways, to the chest armor, you would want to maybe give him upper armor and X armor. What the I even add item? Okay. And then guys, I have a code right now, so like That's why I'm talking a little weird. So, X armor, I'm going to make that. When I look at the picture of him, it's red, but there's another place where it's gray. I'm gonna make it red because it's kind of lame to have gray basically everywhere. If you guys have a little bit of phasing in your character, I apologize for that. So, emblems, I don't know if he even has one. And yeah, I'm not even sure if he has one. Okay, I'm not gonna put an emblem. Okay. A mask, you would want to give him an eye mask. Wait, is there another one that looks like... I think eye mask is our closest, so... You wanna edit the lenses. Okay, you wanna go to the bottom and you'll see, like, add lenses, and then you wanna edit the lenses. You click on that. And then you wanna make it, black. So... If you, like... Okay, I accidentally made it blue somehow, so I'm gonna make it red. So... Yeah, sorry about the video being, like, a little... I don't know how to explain it, but... So yeah, we got the mask. So now we just need... Boots. Yeah, should he... I'm not even sure what color his... boots or shoes are. All I see is just his suit, but I don't see his feet or anything. Okay, so I'm just gonna assume they're like black or brown. No, wait, brown just matches his skin color, so it's gonna look like he's barefooted. So, black, I'm gonna make his super boots black. And then I'm going to, okay, so finally we're in the suit. Skip the cape because he doesn't wear a cape. So, sleeveless suits, I'm gonna put on full suits. So make sure to put that on. I don't know if I should make his suit black or his suit this color. I'm maybe gonna prefer this color because, like, yeah, I don't really know how to explain it. I'm just gonna keep it like that. Okay, so now you would want to swap identities. Or, I mean, for his mouth, you can do whatever you want. But I'm just gonna swap identities. I have this as Bruce Banner. Hold on, guys. Okay, guys, so we are back, and I changed Bruce Banner to, like, Sam Wilson, basically. So you want to go to the name. You want to name him Sam Wilson. So yeah, that's his real name. I've been watching more Marvel, so I actually got the names right for people this time. So Sam Wilson, test for censorship. I know Falcon won't be tested for censorship. That's just dumb if it did. So I changed the backstory to on your left, since if you haven't watched Endgame, well, too bad. He said on your left and stuff like that, so I'm gonna just put on your left. So, yeah. So, good and lawful. Once again, if you're doing Civil War, you want to do neutral, but good and lawful. Powers, the same. Skin color, it might change for you guys if you're, like, replacing a character. So, you want to do this type of brown. Death style, you can choose transformation style, should be the same. Should be ascension. I can't really pronounce it. Okay, so I'm not sure what he wears when he's not wearing his suits. I'm assuming he wears, like, maybe something like this, because, wait, hold on, I'm gonna just search up a Falcon not wearing his suit real quick. Okay, so I got an image of him. So he's wearing, like, this type of okay, this is in Civil War, but I don't really mind too much. So he's wearing something like this in the picture. So yeah, so I'm gonna choose that green. And for his pants, he's wearing like way darker pants than the ones I'm wearing right now. So I have a serious cold right now. I think he's wearing something like these two types of blacks or grays. I'm gonna give him this one. Okay, so for the shoes, he's kind of like wearing just shoes, and he's wearing completely black shoes, so I'm gonna add that. And I think that's basically all he's wearing, basically. So for the hair, no, actually, he also has a... No, that looks a little weird when I put it on him. I don't know, you can give him a beard or a goatee. I wouldn't give him a beard, actually, I would just give him a goatee, but the goatee makes him look old, so I'm just going to just not give him any. His mouth, I would make it maybe a happy mouth, because he usually... No, I'm going to give him neutral, because I've never really seen him happy. Okay, so... yeah, that's basically it. So, we have this Falcon. By the way, guys, about the hair, I don't know what to give him. He like, has hair, but I can't really find hair that you just have just small hair, so, I don't want to really give him this. Yeah, I am not going to give him that. I'm just going to leave him bald for that. So, yeah, let's switch to the gameplay now. Okay, guys, so we're in the gameplay. I apologize for, like, the resolution of this, because, you know, Fortnite isn't the best. Roblox isn't the best for, phones, so, like, yeah, I apologize for the resolution. So, he can fly, and he has guns, so you can maybe just... I'm so bad at Roblox on phones. You can maybe do some martial arts on this kid right here. And, yeah. I think I'm gonna die to him, because he has a freaking katana. Oh, I actually killed him. That's surprising. But I died anyways, because... I don't know why. So, yeah, so... This is Falcon right here. I apologize for the video delay. And, yeah, have a nice day. Falcon out.